Hello, creative explorers, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever looked at a fallen leaf, a smooth river stone, or a twisted branch and seen something more? Today we're diving into the amazing world of nature art, where we transform the ordinary, everyday objects from the outdoors into extraordinary pieces of art. It's a place where science meets creativity, and where every creation tells a story. We're going to get our hands a little dirty, connect with the world around us, and make something truly beautiful and unique. So let's head outside and begin our artistic adventure. First things first, let's talk about our art supplies. The best part? They're completely free, and nature provides them all. Take a walk in your backyard, a nearby park, or even a local beach. Keep your eyes peeled for interesting textures, shapes, and colors. I'm talking about fallen leaves in all shades of red, yellow, and brown, delicate flower petals, sturdy twigs, and interestingly shaped seed pods. Don't forget about smooth pebbles, rough pieces of bark, or even a handful of sand. Remember to be a respectful guest in nature. We only want to collect things that have already fallen to the ground. Let's not disturb living plants or animals. It's all about sustainable art. By gathering these materials, we're not just collecting art supplies. We're collecting little pieces of the natural world, each with its own history and biological blueprint. Now that we have our treasure trove of natural goodies, let's explore some techniques. One of my favorites is creating a nature mandala. A mandala is a circular design that represents the universe, and it's incredibly calming to create. Start from the center with a focal point, maybe a beautiful flower or a unique stone. Then, work your way outwards in concentric circles, arranging your leaves, petals, and twigs in repeating patterns. Play with the symmetry. Notice how the veins on a leaf create their own intricate patterns. This isn't just art, it's geometry in action. You're learning about patterns and symmetry, fundamental concepts in both art and science. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Just let your intuition guide you and enjoy the process of arranging these natural elements. Another wonderful technique is leaf rubbing. This is a classic for a reason. It reveals the hidden beauty within each leaf. All you need is a piece of paper and some crayons or pastels. Place a leaf under your paper, with the vein side facing up. Then gently rub your crayon over the top. Watch as the intricate network of veins magically appears on your paper. It's like taking a fingerprint of the leaf. Each one is unique. You're actually revealing the leaf's vascular system, the xylem and phloem that transport water and nutrients. It's a biology lesson and an art project all rolled into one. Try layering different leaf rubbings to create a beautiful textured collage. You can experiment with different colors to represent the changing seasons. Feeling a bit more three-dimensional? Let's try building some nature sculptures. This is where those twigs, branches, and stones really shine. You can create small figures, abstract structures, or even little fairy houses. Think about balance and structure. How can you stack these stones so they don't fall over? How can you weave these twigs together to create a strong form? This is physics and engineering disguised as play. You're learning about gravity, balance, and structural integrity. You could build a tiny log cabin from twigs, or create a whimsical creature from pine cones and acorns. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. These sculptures are ephemeral, meaning they won't last forever. And that's part of their beauty. They return to the earth, becoming part of the natural cycle once again. Let's not forget about flower pressing. This is a wonderful way to preserve the delicate beauty of flowers and leaves long after they've faded. You can use a heavy book or a dedicated flower press. Carefully arrange your flowers and leaves between two sheets of absorbent paper, like blotting paper or parchment paper. Make sure they're not overlapping. Then close the book and pile some more heavy books on top, or tighten your press. Now comes the hard part, waiting. It can take a few weeks for them to dry completely. Once they're pressed, you can use them to decorate cards, create bookmarks, or even arrange them in a frame to make a stunning piece of botanical art. Each pressed flower is a snapshot of a moment in time, preserving its form and color. You're essentially creating a botanical specimen, just like scientists do. As you create, take a moment to really look at what you're working with. Notice the fractal patterns in a fern, the spiral arrangement of seeds in a sunflower, or the Fibonacci sequence in the petals of a flower. Nature is filled with these mathematical and scientific principles. Every leaf, every stone, every flower is a masterpiece of biological design. When we create art with these elements, we are collaborating with nature itself. We are connecting with the cycles of growth, decay, and rebirth. This process isn't just about making something pretty. It's about observation, curiosity, and a deeper appreciation for the world around us. It's a reminder that we are part of this intricate, beautiful ecosystem. So, what have we discovered today? We've learned that art isn't confined to a studio, and science isn't just for laboratories. They can come together in the most beautiful and accessible way, right in our own backyards. We've turned leaves into prints, twigs into sculptures, and flowers into lasting memories. Each piece you create is a unique blend of your creativity and nature's inherent design. It's a testament to the fact that the world around us is teeming with inspiration, just waiting to be discovered. I encourage you to go outside and try it for yourself. Look closely, be curious, and let your creativity run wild. You'll be amazed at what you can create. I hope you feel inspired to see the world a little differently, to find the art in the everyday and the science in the beautiful. Every pattern, every texture, every color tells a story about the life of our planet. So, the next time you're on a walk, remember that you are walking through a gallery of nature's finest art, and you have everything you need to become an artist yourself. Science is beautiful, isn't it? Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own nature art creations with our community. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.